Okay, so ladies, I think you guys want to show him how it's actually done, right?
Yeah, I'd like to see that.
So,
Should we show the video
I think we
first?
should show them what exactly. How do you actually party? Do you want to put that?
Wow. Wow. Sonam, Anushka, thanks very much for such a great moment. I mean, that video is just awesome. No? One more? No, not one more. We have to keep it for some people on the digital space, but thanks very much for such a great show. Now I know how Indians are dancing.
Well, I have a couple of questions for you guys. How is it working on the Party Starter anthem? What did you guys like the most about it?
Oh, thank you so much. Santa. Oh, okay. Anushka, why are you leaving me alone?
You're the voice.
It was incredible because I had my girls there. Obviously, I had Anushka there, and if you see that really beautiful girl with the curly hair, that's Karishma. She's done the choreography and the video, and they both worked with me. She's worked with me on Aisha. Karishma did Khoobsurat, and they've started party anthems with me from the very beginning. So I'm excited. Y'all have heard, by the way. And then there was Abhi To Party. So they worked with me before. So it was amazing, amazing working with them again and doing this amazing music video. And since we are almost at the brink of Women's Day, I thought it was nice to have some women who are strong, talented, come together and make a, celebrating and starting a party that should be for hot women. Men are invited also, obviously.
And Anushka, tell us about the track itself. I mean, you made the anthem, you created that entire music. How was it working on that?
Actually, it was really easy. Usually it's, when you have to produce something for someone else, there's a brief and then, you have to follow it, and sometimes you have to do things that you're not really excited about. But with this
Sell
one,
out.
yeah. And it's a constant fight, but this was so easy. Sophia, it was amazing. I had a really good time putting it together. And actually, it was like the first scratch that we made, and it got passed. She was like, "This is exactly what I wanted." I was like, "Oh my God, I feel you."
Oh my God.
So it was super simple, and I was excited to know that Sonam was also a part of it. I think that it's really nice. I like her because she's someone who, well, a lot of people have a lot of filters, and I know that
I
these
have
things
none.
can. I know that these are things that get, actors into trouble. But I like that you speak your mind, and if I had to do this with anyone, I'm glad that it's you.
Thank you. I love you.
One last question for both of you.
Uh-huh.
What makes you guys the party starters?
Besides the fact that,
Yes.
besides being us.
I think that's it. You answered the question. It's you.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I guess.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
What
thank
we
you.
will do now is we'll have a few questions open for the media, for Sonam.
But before, we can't just...
Oh, I am so sorry. I completely forgot about that. We can't...
I've seen a nice video,
Uh-huh.
but would you agree with me that a video is a video? Live is different.
Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'm going to be able to
Help
dance
me.
in this outfit.
We need to see it live.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Who is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, fine.
So can Anushka, would you like to sing
Yeah.
a little bit?
Yeah, of course. All right. Okay.
Wait, one second. I'll just go down.
Everyone at the back, if everyone who doesn't have their phones up, can you put your hands up? Can you put your hands up? Yes. Okay, that's cool. Okay. Okay, let's do this.
Like, you see the beautiful production. There's a beautiful bottle popped up at the end. I love it.
Well, that was the Party Starter anthem. And could we now just have the questions from the media? So we just give us...
पहला फोटो
Yeah,
अच्छा ठीक है Hi, everybody. I know the light is pretty bad here, right? थोड़ा हल्का सा बढ़ाना light. Do you want me to use this or do you not want me to use this? Do you want me to use this? Yes, okay, fine. Do you guys need a mic so I can hear y'all? Can somebody please give all the journalists a mic, please? Can we have a mic for everybody else over there, please? Yes, thank you. Light और थोड़ा increase करना, please. थोड़ा और, हाँ, perfect. Is this fine, guys? Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, everybody. I haven't seen you all in a really long time.
Yes, Sonam, you're coming.
Where? Hi.
So it seems like you're coming with a gift to all the women's and all the girls out there.
And men. Hello, excuse me.
No, yeah. So it's a fabulous video, first of all.
Thank you.
So according to you, what's the party starter for you?
What's the party? So, I mean, obviously, great music. I think for me, music is so important, and obviously, Shandon helps. but it has to be a combination, and also great company, and that's why I'm so excited that Anushka was also a part of it. I admire her. I think she's so wonderfully talented, and what a great voice. I wish she sang more. So yeah, so I'm excited. I'm excited to be a part of this video. I hope it starts trending on social media very soon. And Karishma did the choreography. And thank you so much, Shandon, for giving us this opportunity to create something fun, which we could have creative control over. So I hope I hope you guys loved it.
We have loved it.
Okay, great.
Adding to the question, on the occasion of Women's Day, what's your message for all the girls and women's out there, and especially when?
And even men.
Yeah,
I
even men,
feel
okay,
men.
yeah.
I think, to be empowered, to believe in yourself, and to be who you want to be. Damn the consequences. You know?
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, I can see you're dressed to party. I love it.
Thank you.
Okay.
So, ma'am, how was the experience?
Don't call me ma'am. I'm Sonam for everybody else. And everybody, nobody's allowed to call me ma'am. Sonam. Everybody, even the photographers call me Sonam. How was my experience? It was amazing. It was nice. It's always nice. All the music videos that I've been part of, actually Jacqueline mentioned this to me. She sent me a WhatsApp. She's like, Sons, do you know that out of the 5 videos which have got the highest views, out of them 3 out of the 5 are your songs? And I was like, what? I didn't even realize that. One of them is Abhi to Party Shuru Hui Hai. I was like, that just says it all. I was like, every wedding I go to, it's either Prem Ratan Dhan Payo or it's Abhi to Party Shuru Hui Hai, or there's strangely Dheere Dheere. I'm like, I can see there was the bride and groom like dancing to Dheere Dheere. It was really funny. But I think it's interesting to be a part of this. It was really exciting. And like I said, we could be creative with it. I could wear what I wanted to wear, dance, have amazing dance steps in it, and obviously Anushka singing it and producing the music and composing it. It was amazing. And Karishma did the choreography, and she's an amazing choreographer. She was a cute little girl with the curly hair who was dancing in the middle. So I think it was a great, great concept, and I really thank Shandon for giving us this platform and for helping us start the party.
Ma'am, I love your outfit.
Oh,
Can you please
thank
tell us something
you.
about it?
It's a beautiful, it's like a Russian designer. Megan, Rosario, right? Rosario. My girls, my sister and her girls who are very, very talented, Megan and all of them, they find all these like new designers for me or from all over the world, and they send me these images and I wear all of them, and I'm so excited to wear them.
Ma'am, since Women's Day is coming up...
Do
and
not call me ma'am.
Old
I'm not
habits
that
die hard. Old habits die hard.
Huh.
So you have just released a trailer of your fellow friend Swara Bhaskar, and
Yes.
her movie some of the scenes from the movie
Yeah.
just got leaked. So what do you have to say about that?
Well, I have had the opportunity of watching Anarkali Aravali of Araval of
Ara.
Ara,
Yeah.
but it's actually Aravali or something like that. But Anarkali of Ara is the title has changed, huh, by the way. Is it changed or is it
It's
Anarkali of Ara?
Yeah.
Okay. I saw the film. I think it was a couple of weeks back, and I have cried and cried and cried. First of all, to see Swara, I don't think she gets her due. She did this film called Neel Batte Sonata this year, which last year, which I think was one of the most amazing performances that I've ever seen, and it was a very courageous performance. If you see this film, you'll understand what a true feminist is. Someone who fights for her rights and who is what she, I mean, she's an incredible artist. And I was so moved by her performance. I was so moved by Anarkali's story and her grit and her determination. And I hope more films like this get opportunities and platforms to be made. And I hope the industry is changing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
सोनम, आने वाले समय में फ्यूचर में क्या हम आपको एक फुल फ्लेज पार्टी स्टार्टर सॉन्ग को गाते हुए हम सुन
गाते
पाएंगे?
हुए?
हाँ।
भाई साहब, अनुष्का क्या करेगी फिर? अगर मैं गा नहीं सकती हूँ, बिल्कुल गा नहीं सकती हूँ। और अगर मैं थोड़ा ट्राई भी कर लेती हूँ तो आप लोग ना बोलेंगे कि यार पहले तो हम बोलते थे कि एक्टिंग नहीं आती, अभी हमको बोलना पड़ेगा कि गाना नहीं आता। तो अभी बहुत मतलब घिस पिट के मेरे को 1-2 अवार्ड मिल गए हैं। वो पता नहीं ये सारा पूरा पानी में मिट जाएगा। नहीं करना मुझे।
But fans really want to sing.
Oh, see
Want
me
you to
sing?
sing.
No,
Yeah,
no,
want
no, 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 not at all. I sang in this film called Delhi 6. Nobody remembers the fact that I sang in it. Because I was trying to be Indian Idol in that film. The show only stopped after that film. So I'm not singing I'm not going to do that. Not really.
होली का कुछ प्लान है आपका? कुछ आप
होली के लिए
Yeah, yeah.
मेरी माय सिस्टर, मेरी बहन जो है रिया, उसका बर्थडे है। होली कभी है? 5th of March, हाँ? 13 लास्ट ईयर वाज 5th of March ना? 13th of March? नहीं, I'm not celebrating Holi this year. I don't celebrate Holi that much. I find it very, मतलब मैं जब बचपन में खेलती थी तब थोड़ा सेफ होता था। आजकल मुझे घर से निकलना ही डर लगता है, गाड़ी में जाना, गाड़ी ख़राब हो जाती है, या मतलब जो हम JVPT स्कीम में रहते हैं वहाँ बच्चे और जो लोग होते हैं बलून्स फेंकते हैं, कलर जो है आपके कलर फेंकते हैं, पक्का कलर फेंकते हैं, अंडे फेंकते हैं, ये सब बहुत थोड़ा इट्स बिकम वेरी अनसेफ ऑनेस्टली टिल यू डोंट हैव प्रॉपर प्रोटोकॉल लाइक अ प्रॉपर सेफ एनवायरनमेंट। मेरे को नहीं जाना। मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता था, रेन डांस होता था ना, किसी को याद है? बॉम्बे में मैं जाती थी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, वो सब अभी बंद हो गया बिकॉज आजकल एंड स्पेशली फॉर गर्ल्स इट्स बिकम अ लिटिल अनसेफ नाउ, so I don't go. I wish I used to love playing it, but till the environment is not safe, I refuse to go. Yeah.
Okay, Sonam, you're always tagged as a bold actress. So what's
Bold actress?
bold actress, bold actress with
But with my opinions or with
yeah,
my
your
films?
opinions,
Okay.
choices, and your choice of roles. So, what's your take on the restriction which has been posed on girls or women's, be it on a dressing sense or be it on everything or be it
I do not
it's
believe in
freedom?
censorship.
Yeah.
Honestly, I think everybody should have their own choice. Whether you want to be in a burqa, or whether you want to be in a bikini, I don't think, whether it's your religion, whether it's the way you want to dress, whether it's your preference of sexuality, everybody should be given a choice. Nobody should be told what to do. The more you censor someone, the more you tell them not to do, there will be more rebellion. Everybody should be given a choice, and if they're not given a choice, then what is the point of being an Indian? And that's what India is about, right? We're supposed to be the largest democracy in the world, and thank you. Yeah. Most welcome. Can I go now? Can you start partying now? There's one last question.
yeah.
Yeah.
Sonam, Kangana recently made a comment on Star Kids and nepotism, how it's there in the industry.
Yeah.
And Ali also gave a response to that. So do you want to say anything, considering that you also have a?
I don't even know what Kangana has said. मैं तो travel कर रही हूँ आजकल. What has she said? She keeps saying things all the time. I don't know what has she said. She's very entertaining. I love Kangana. I look forward to her interviews. Oh my God. I wish I've only done one film with him. Thank you so much.
Anushka, here we go. यहाँ पे Anu, sorry, here we go. Super.
मैम एक माइक के साथ में
पूरा सेंटर में. That's right. That's good lighting here. Anushka, एक मिनट में बोलेगा. Anushka, yeah. There we go.
and one with the mic के साथ में या कड़क
There you go. Oh, look at that. That's right.
hey, so hot Anushka right and one over there
Lovely.
एक लास्ट wait
Bravo. Good. One yeah, Anushka. Yeah.
Anushka, one time back. There you go. Good outfit is this? Good outfit is this? She's working really hard. I see her every day she's working hard.
The Russian.
Oh, there goes Sana ji. आगे आप क्या बात है?
Hi, Sana ma'am.
Sana ji, yeah. Sana ji, एक और.
चल आईफोन निकाल अरे इसमें Sana, you mind tapping one without? That's right. Here we go. Hang on. 1 second. All right. Here we go.
Sana ji, एक और.
Lovely. Ma'am, wait.
You make a boomerang.
Sana, ma'am, wait. Sana, try it out.
Bollywood
Is it? She's just doing that here.
मैम इधर भी
How is it looking? I'm just thinking that this is
Ma'am?
oh, very nice. Yes.
Good. There we go.
Sana ji, yeah.
You can do that boomerang thing. You can just raise your leg over it.
Sana ji, yeah.
Lovely.
एक यहाँ एक
Alright, there we go.
सर मैम एक माइक के साथ में या कड़क 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 अरे सुनो मैम हम लोग ए तू बात एक सेकंड Ma'am, here. Ma'am, here. Yeah, last year. Ma'am, here, last year. One second. Ma'am, one last year.
One over here. Yeah,
Ma'am.
got it. Thank you.